Hello, my name is Daniel with AddySnip, and today we're going to talk about adding DNS entries for Google Cloud DNS. So with Google Cloud DNS, it does not support using CNAME entries for root domains. So if you do want to add a record for the root domain, which is, for example, example.com, you would have to do an A record with the IP address. Otherwise, if you're using a subdomain, which is anything.example.com, you can use what's called a CNAME record. I'm going to show you how to do both. So we're going to start off here with the root domain. So I'm going to grab the IP address for the A record here and put that in my clipboard. And I'm going to pop over to my Google Cloud DNS page here. Typically, when you log in, you'll see this here. So you would just open up your zone, click Add Record Set here. And then because I'm doing the root domain, I don't put anything under DNS name here because I want it just to be for AddySnip.link. For resource record type, I'm going to do an A record. Your TTL is your cache. So how long do you want this information to be cached for at the DNS server level? Google Cloud DNS by default sets a 5-minute TTL, but you can lower this down to 1 second. Not a very good caching, but you can come here and say I want to cache it for 30 seconds. For routing policy, we're just going to leave the default record type. That's typically what you want to do with our services. And then for the IPv4 address 1, you're just going to paste the entry from the dashboard and click create. After a couple seconds, it'll be created, and then after a couple minutes, it should be propagated around. Now I'm going to show you how to add the CNAME record if you want to do a subdomain. So for example, I'm going to do www.addysnip.link as the subdomain that I want to use as my branded link. So I'm going to grab the text here for the CNAME record. I'm going to come in here, I'm going to go add record set. For DNS name, I'm just going to put in the subdomain, so www. Resource record type, I'm going to do CNAME. TTL, we're going to also set this back to 30 seconds to match the previous. Routing policy, default record type. You're just going to paste in the svc to addysnip.com hostname and then click create. And after a couple minutes, this too will be propagated out and usable. After that, you would just come back into the dashboard and click add domain. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team by emailing support@addysnip.com or clicking the contact us on the front page of the AddySnip website. Thank you guys for listening and have a great day.